The streets of Jamaica, Dancehall Aerobics is the latest dance craze, gaining tons of popularity across the country. It's a workout that will have you sweating, burning calories, dancing, and having fun. And here to tell us all about it and show us exactly what it looks like is instructor Adina Pink. Thank you so much for being
Rachel.
here. All right, so tell us a little bit of the background of this.
Well, Jamaican Dancehall Aerobics is inspired by Jamaican dancers from the streets of Jamaica. And Jamaican dancers are very passionate about their craft. And I'm very passionate about fitness, and I love to dance as well. So I said, you know, why don't I put both dancehall, dance, and fitness together and just come up with dancehall aerobics? And so far, it's been doing pretty well.
Why do you think it's gaining so much popularity?
It's something new. You know, people are very interested in the Jamaican culture, the music. So, you know, the bass of the music gets in people's bones, and, you know, a lot of people like new things as far as fitness. So
you think they're kind of getting bored with the same old routine
exactly,
at the gym,
yeah.
and they're looking for another way to kind of burn the calories?
Yeah, and you're dancing, you know, so you don't even think about working out because you're dancing and, you know, burning the calories away at the same time.
Obviously, you're in great shape. I mean, what sort of transformations have you seen in people's bodies just by this?
As far as the bodies, I've seen people, you know, toning up. There's, you know, sweating. They're so happy when they come to class. Their energy level, you know, goes up. So I've seen a lot of transformation as far as the body.
Now, there's a class, and there's also this DVD, and I was taking a look at it. I mean, 32 minutes. You get a 32-minute workout there, and it's great.
It's a fun workout. You won't even realize that you're working out because you just feel like you're dancing at the club.
Now, is it kind of easy, or are these moves that maybe are a little tricky?
I mean, as far as the class and the DVD, I mean, we start from beginners, and then we go into advanced. But the moves are pretty easy to get because we do it repetitive. So, I mean, and if you need help getting the dance moves done, I'll help you. You know, get it. So.
Now we've got the DVD. We've also got a class, and you're going to teach this. The class is here in Hartford.
Yeah, actually, it's in
Norwalk. Excuse me.
It's at Norwalk at Work It Dance and Fitness Studio, and we're going to be there the 28th of April from 7:30 to 8:30. So everyone, please come down and, you know, try out the class. It's going to be really, really fun.
Sounds great. All right, I'm going to step out of the way. I'm going to let you show us exactly how this is done.